Namaskar friends, I am Dr. Dilbag Singh from Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, Central University of Haryana, and today in this lecture we will discuss about the various factors which affect the tourism demand on national as well on international level. Tourism demand. The global travel and tourism industry is one of the largest contributor to the world GDP. Apart from that, it has also created a very large number of jobs globally. The financial value it creates annually runs in trillions of dollars. Apart from the people that the tourism sector employs directly, it also create employment for people in several other related sectors also. The condition of the global economy had improved post recession. Rapid technological innovation also lead to growth in demand for tourism. However, there are several more factors that influence demand in this sector. Here are some of the factors affecting the tourism demand. These are geopolitical factors, economic factors, socio-cultural factors, technological factors, pandemic factors like COVID-19, and some other related factors. Geopolitical factors. Geopolitical factors also have a deep effect on the demand for tourism. A stable geopolitical situation can lead to a healthy increase in the demand for tourism, while instability can affect it negatively. After the 26/11 attack, the complete tourism industry in India was affected badly. The tourists feel themselves insecure while visiting to the country. Next one is economical factors. There is a direct relation of economical factors with the demand of the tourism. If the economy is developing in a positive direction, it will also enhance the tourist flow into the particular area. With the development of economy, the disposable income of the individual will also high and it will boost the tourism demand. On the other hand, in the recession time, the demand of the tourism will be low. Next one is socio-cultural factors. Cultural factors also have a deep impact on the demand for tourism. Millions of people every year go on religious tour like the Muslims going to Mecca. Apart from it, people also go on cultural tours to understand the culture of other nations. Culture and religion are major factors affecting the demand for the tourism worldwide. In Asian countries, Buddhist and Hindu culture hold a special appeal for the foreign tourists and attract them in large number. People used to visit India as there is a diversity of culture and they witness a variety of culture and its impact on the society. It directly helps to attract the tourists from the different parts of the globe and also helps to increase the tourism demand. Next one is technological factors. Technological factors also have a similar positive impact on the tourism industry and the demand for the travel and tourism in the advanced countries. Several places, despite not being geographically attractive or naturally beautiful, the cities attract tourists in large number because of technological factors. Technological factors have led to an entirely new range of tourist activities. Western cities have several new tourist hotspots that are attractive because of the technology and business. In India, a number of people come to visit Bengaluru as it is known for its technological aspect. Next one is pandemic factors like COVID 19. The mass spread of any kind of virus or any other kind of pandemic situation can affect the tourism industry badly. At present, due to the mass spread of COVID 19, the complete demand for tourism becomes zero. The situation is almost same in all part of the world. For the revival of tourism business, governments around the world can adopt the churn demand and economic activity in the industry again, like easing fiscal policies, removing barriers, introducing incentives, supporting destinations, as well as improving travel facilitation. Some other factors. Demand for travel and tourism in the 21st century is affected by some other factors too. How nation and hospitality brands market themselves also affect the demand and sales of tourist services. Some nations have invested in heavy marketing of their tourist destinations to churn demand. Dubai is one of the such tourist destination which is marketed around the world through various channels. So in short, we can say that after the completion of this lecture, now we are able to know about the various factors which affect the tourism demand both in positive and negative aspect. Now it is the responsibility of the stakeholders to work on it, and they can attract more and more people by knowing all these factors, and they can do something for the betterment for all these factors, because if the factors are in a positive way, that will directly affect the tourism sector as well in a positive way. So after the completion of this lecture, now we are able to know about the various factors, and I hope these factors will help all the stakeholders in tourism industry in a positive way, and it will also help to work in a positive way in the field of tourism. Thank you very much.